Hello and welcome to our channel. Here, you can learn English with stories and improve your listening skills in a calm and simple way. Thank you for being here. Let's begin today's story. What if you have everything in life, but one day you realize it was never truly yours? There was a man named Robert. He lived in a big modern city full of tall buildings, bright lights, and busy streets. Robert had everything that many people dream of. He had a high-paying job, a beautiful house, a loving wife, and 2 smart children. His life looked perfect from the outside. Every morning, he woke up in a comfortable bed, drank hot coffee, and went to work in his expensive car. People respected him and often said he was very lucky. Robert believed the same thing. He believed that he was lucky, and because of that luck, he was rich and successful. He often said to himself that life had given him more than he deserved. He felt proud of his achievements and felt safe because of his money. In his mind, money was the strongest support in life. He thought that as long as he earned well, everything else would stay fine. Robert lived far away from his parents, siblings, and relatives. His hometown was quiet and simple, but he left it years ago to build a better future in the city. At first, he missed his family, but slowly he became busy with work, meetings, and deadlines. Phone calls became rare. Visits became even rarer. When his parents asked him to come home, he said he was busy. When his siblings wanted to meet, he postponed it again and again. He told himself that he was doing all this for his family. He believed that earning more money was the best way to show love. He thought that sending gifts and money was enough. Over time, emotional distance grew, but Robert did not notice it. He was too focused on his success. At home, his wife and children lived comfortably. They had everything they needed: good clothes, good food, good schools, and a big house. But Robert was not always present. He came home tired. He checked his phone during dinner. He listened, but not deeply. His wife tried to talk about her feelings, but he answered quickly and returned to his work. His children wanted to play with him, but he promised next time. Slowly, the house became quiet in a different way. It was not empty, but it lacked warmth. Smiles became short. Conversations became formal. Love existed, but it was no longer expressed. Robert did not notice these changes. He believed that money solved everything. He believed his family was happy because they had a good life. He believed he was lucky, and luck would always protect him. Then one evening, everything changed. It was raining heavily. The roads were slippery, and traffic was slow. Robert was driving home after a long meeting. He was tired and thinking about work. Suddenly, another car lost control and hit his car from the side. The sound was loud. Glass broke. Everything went dark. When Robert opened his eyes, he was in a hospital bed. His body felt heavy. He could not move easily. Doctors told him that he had serious injuries. He would need to stay in bed for many weeks. He would need rest, care, and patience. At first, Robert was calm. He thought this was just a small break in his busy life. He believed he would recover quickly and return to work. His wife and children visited him in the hospital. They looked worried, but distant. They asked about his health, but their eyes were not warm. As days passed, Robert stayed on the bed. He could not work. He could not earn. He could not move freely. Time slowed down for him. For the first time in years, He had nothing to do but think. His phone stopped ringing. Office calls reduced. Meetings went on without him. The company did not stop because he was sick. Slowly, Robert realized that his work did not need him as much as he thought. At home, his wife became tired. Taking care of him felt like a responsibility, not an act of love. She had to manage the house, the children, and now him. She was not used to this situation. She felt stressed and frustrated. The children also struggled. They missed their normal routine. They felt uncomfortable seeing their father weak and dependent. One evening, Robert heard his wife talking to someone on the phone. She said she was tired. She said life was difficult now. She said she did not sign up for this kind of life. Robert listened quietly from his bed. Her words hurt him deeply. Another day, he heard his children complaining. They said their life was boring now. They said their father was always sick and could not do anything. They did not mean to hurt him, but their words stayed in his heart. Robert began to feel alone. He was surrounded by people, but emotionally he felt empty. Money could not help him now. His bank balance was high, but his heart felt heavy. During those quiet days, Robert thought about his parents. He remembered how his mother used to sit beside him when he was sick as a child. He remembered how his father worked hard but still made time for family. He remembered how love was shown through care, not money. He tried calling his parents. His mother answered immediately. Her voice was full of concern. She wanted to come and see him, but Robert felt ashamed. He realized how long it had been since he truly spoke to her. His siblings also called. They asked about his health and offered help. Their voices felt real. Their care felt honest. Robert realized something important. The people he had ignored were the ones who truly cared for him. Weeks passed. Robert slowly recovered, but something inside him had changed forever. He saw clearly now. He saw that money made life comfortable, but it did not create love. He saw that relationships needed time, attention, and presence. They could not survive on money alone. One day, Robert heard his wife talking again. This time, she said she wanted her old life back. She said life was easier when Robert was busy and not dependent. Those words broke something inside him. Robert understood the truth. His family loved the comfort he provided, but they were not prepared to walk with him through pain. He did not blame them fully, but he accepted reality. After he recovered, Robert made a decision. He decided to change his life. Not to earn more, but to live better. He reduced his work hours. He spent time with his parents. He visited his hometown. He rebuilt bonds with his siblings. He also changed how he treated people. He listened more. He spoke less. He gave time instead of money. Slowly, he felt peace. Not happiness from success, but peace from connection. Robert learned a lesson that life taught him in a hard way. Money can make life easy, but relationships make life meaningful. Success can give comfort, but love gives strength. And luck is not measured by wealth, but by the people who stand beside you when you fall. Some lessons come late, but they change us forever. Remember this story, because one day, when everything stops, relationships are what remain.